In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Behance email. Now, if you're looking to update the email associated with your Behance account, it's important to know that Behance uses your Adobe ID for logging in. Therefore, to change your Behance email, you'll need to update it on your Adobe account. Here's a detailed guide on how to do just that. First, head over to the Behance website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a drop-down menu where you need to select Account Settings. By doing this, you'll be redirected straight to your Adobe account page. Now focus on the Adobe account page in front of you and navigate to the Profile tab. This tab holds all your personal information, including your email, which we're going to change today. Under the Email section, you'll notice a button labeled Change. Click on this button. This will prompt you to enter your new email address. At this point, it's crucial that the email address you enter is active and one you have access to, because Adobe will immediately send a verification email to this new address. So, after entering your new email, go ahead and open your new email inbox. A message from Adobe should be there, containing a verification link. Click on this link to verify your new email. Once you've completed this verification process, your Behance login email is updated. Keep in mind that your new email address now becomes your Adobe ID. This means you'll use it not only for Behance, but for all Adobe services you might be using. A few additional notes to consider. Remember that this new email is now the primary means by which Adobe will contact you. This includes any security updates or project notifications, so it's vital that your new email is one you regularly check. If you prefer an added layer of security, Adobe allows you to set a secondary email as a backup for account recovery purposes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully updated your Behance email through your Adobe account. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials.